In Sketchup, you don't have to enter dimensions as you draw, but in fact, everything you create does have real-world dimensions, and you can create models with very high precision. Let's learn how, starting with the line tool. Begin drawing an edge in the red direction and keep an eye on the measurements box, which displays the real-time length that you are drawing. Remember click, move, click as the best way to use your mouse? I clicked once to start drawing this edge, which makes it easy to let go of the mouse to enter a dimension. Type 5 feet and press enter. Unless we click on another tool, we can still change this length. Type 8 feet and press enter. Type 6 feet space 4 inches and press enter. We can enter the distance in feet and inches or in metric as well. Draw another line and type 95 cm for 95 centimeters and press enter. When entering distance, Sketchup will also understand decimal input. For example, I could specify 3 feet 6 inches, or I could also use 3.5 feet for the same results. Here are a few other examples. Although you can specify any units of measurement at any time, feet and inches, meters and centimeters, Sketchup does recognize a default unit, and for this you can simply type in numbers. For example, my default is currently set to inches, so if I draw a line and simply type 48, then press enter, it will be 48 inches. In fact, the default units allow you to use fractions. So with my current default of inches, I could draw a line and type 18 space 3/4, then press enter and Sketchup will understand the fractional input. Be careful though, fractions only work with your default unit. If I draw a line and specify 2 1/2 feet, my default is still inches, so when I press enter, I've only drawn a line at 2 feet. So again, only input fractions with your default units. To change your default units, open the Model Info panel under the Window menu. In here, choose the Units tab, and I'll change the format to decimal, which will allow me to choose a different unit, say centimeters. Here I can also change the precision amount, and now when I draw a line and type 30, then hit enter, I have a line exactly 30 centimeters long. With a better understanding of how to enter accurate dimensions, let's take a look at how this applies to several of our drawing tools. Rectangles will be 2 dimensions separated by a comma, so I might enter 5 foot 7 inches, comma, 3 foot 8 inches, and press enter. Circles and polygons are created with a radius, so drawing this circle and entering 60 cm will create a circle with a radius of 60 centimeters. When drawing polygons, you will also enter a radius, but be aware that you can toggle the polygon to be inscribed or circumscribed within the radius. Toggle this back and forth with the Control key on a PC or Option key on a Mac. At this point, you should be able to easily understand any other tools. The measurements box will provide hints for whatever tool you are using. For example, the arc tool will ask for an initial length followed by an angle. The 2-point arc tool will ask for an initial length followed by a bulge distance. Simply follow the prompts for whatever tool you are using.